In today's fast paced digital landscape, businesses are constantly searching for ways to improve customer engagement, streamline communication, and automate repetitive tasks. AI powered chatbot platforms have emerged as an indispensable tool, helping businesses provide 24/7 support, enhance user experiences, and optimize sales processes. This guide dives into four of the best AI chatbot platforms of 2025, which is Tidio, ManyChat, Drift, and Intercom. Each platform caters to distinct business needs, whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise. So now first let's talk about Tidio. Tidio is a versatile chatbot platform designed to help small and medium-sized businesses engage with customers seamlessly. Its integration of AI with live chat makes it a go-to tool for improving customer support and increasing conversion rates. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its AI powered responses. Tidio uses AI to provide instant, accurate responses to customer inquiries, significantly reducing response times. This ensures that customers receive immediate assistance, leading to higher satisfaction rates. Another key feature is its multi channel support. The platform integrates with various communication channels, including Messenger, Instagram, and email. This provides a unified communication experience, helping businesses manage customer interactions efficiently. So, why is Cydio a great choice? Tidio stands out for its affordability and ease of use, making it ideal for small businesses with limited technical expertise. Its multilingual support and robust e-commerce features make it an invaluable tool for companies looking to expand globally. So now let's talk about ManyChat. ManyChat specializes in social media automation, offering businesses an effective way to engage audiences on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Its key features and benefits is first the drag and drop bot builder. It allows users to create chatbots without any coding skills. This makes automation accessible to businesses of all sizes, regardless of technical expertise. Another key feature is the e-commerce tools. It includes features like abandoned cart recovery and order notifications to support online sales. This boosts sales by re-engaging potential customers and ensuring timely communication. So why it's a great choice? ManyChat is ideal for businesses heavily reliant on social media marketing. Its intuitive interface and targeted automation tools make it a powerful asset for driving customer engagement and increasing sales. Next is Drift. So, Drift is a conversational marketing platform tailored for sales and marketing teams. It focuses on engaging website visitors and converting them into leads through personalized interactions. For its key features and benefits, first is the conversational AI. Drift's AI enables dynamic, human like conversations to guide prospects through the sales funnel. This increases conversion rates by creating a more personalized and engaging experience. Another key feature is the meeting scheduling. Drift integrates with calendars to streamline the process of booking sales calls. This saves time and ensures smooth coordination between teams and prospects. Yes, because why it is a great choice? Drift's focus on conversational marketing makes it a valuable tool for sales driven organizations. Its ability to capture and prioritize high value leads ensures maximum ROI from marketing efforts. And lastly is Intercom. Intercom is an all in one platform for customer engagement, blending chatbots, live chat, and help desk tools into a unified solution. For its key features and benefits, first is the proactive messaging. It sends targeted messages to users based on behavior and preferences. This helps businesses engage customers at the right time, increasing retention and satisfaction. Another key feature is the Help Center integration. So it combines chatbots with a knowledge base for efficient self service support. This reduces support workloads while empowering users to find answers independently. So, why it's a great choice? Intercom scalability and robust integration options make it perfect for enterprises looking to centralize customer communication. Its proactive engagement tools are ideal for improving user experiences and driving long term loyalty. So basically, all or AI chatbots are transforming how businesses interact with their customers, whether it's Tidio for affordable customer support, ManyChat for social media automation, Drift for sales engagement, or Intercom for enterprise level communication. Each platform brings unique advantages to the table. So choosing the right chatbot depends on your business's specific goals. Whether you're looking to improve sales, automate customer service, or create engaging user experiences. By leveraging the right tool, you can streamline operations, increase customer satisfaction, and drive growth in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.